I'm Lisa Ware with yogaforlove.com, and I'd love to just share with you a little bit about our vision statement. We offer a sacred space for women to build a tribe and community with other like-minded sisters from all over the world. We create a safe and open place where women meet virtually, energetically, and in person, facilitating healing, happiness, and adventure, joy, using the tools of yoga, whole food, meditation, Reiki, and energy work. I'd like to give you a personal invitation to check out yogaforlove.com. We have an offering of 200-hour and 300-hour available to you totally online with a virtual program with a strong, deep connection with one of our directors on your own journey.
Lisa's 200 hours comprised of 6 modules. We have a log that we utilize every day. We have our practice hours and we have our sadhana, which is our self-help, and we also have our teacher training that we do, our private hours that we log with our director, Lisa Ware.
After about 6 months at the studio, I decided to join her teacher training program. So I have been on that track for about 6 months now, and I have learned more about myself and about yoga and the ways that it can improve your life and how you can share that with others. The program is designed for people of all different levels, and no matter where they're at in their practice, they can come in and fully expand into what they're trying to get out of their practice.
Being able to log in online and practice as well as complete course modules, that's so helpful, and it easily fits into my schedule, so that's what makes this program unique for me. A huge component of Lisa's program is self-development. We every day are required to do personal sadhanas, which allows you to figure out what's that one thing a day that you could do to heal yourself, make yourself better. It's that few minutes a day that you focus on yourself, focus within, that gives you empowerment, that transforms you, and allows you to share that with everyone else.
As I build with these practices of continuing to yoke body, mind, and spirit, each time I step off the mat, I'm a little bit more prepared to take that with me. And maybe then my life is a little less chaotic, my schedule is a little less chaotic, I'm a little more empowered to stay calm in a moment when I might have freaked out.
Let's bring our hands to our heart, honoring the light within ourselves, honoring the light within each other.
I have 3 months left of my 200-hour program, and my vision on life has changed. I've become a nicer person, and there's a lot of people out there that are going to see that and start laughing right now.
We'd also like to invite you to take a look at our retreats, which is included in the 200-hour and 300-hour programs, as well as you're able to attend the retreat without being enrolled as a teacher. So we offer yoga for your inner goddess retreats in our facility here in Texas. We also offer yoga for love adventure retreats on the Big Island of Hawaii. So take a look at what we have to offer. Perhaps you'll find your tribe. Namaste.